Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Donkey. This is going to be the second part of our three-part air intake system. So far we've got the RotoFab cold air intake, and then we just did the JET Performance upgraded throttle body. And now to bring it all together, we're going to put in the JET Performance mass airflow sensor. So this obviously will be a pretty quick and easy install, guys. But I think without having to follow all the manufacturer's limitations, we may pick up some horsepower out of this whole deal. So they say off the throttle body you can get 8 to 10 pounds of torque and 8 to 10 horsepower. So we should have picked up like 40 horsepower by the time we're done with everything, as far as the exhaust and the RotoFab and all of this together. So it should be noticeable seat of the pants, and really what they're pushing is quicker throttle response. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to start with removing the old mass airflow sensor. So it's got one of these little tricky tabs on it. So these I've found myself, it's just better to push from the back. So with my thumbnail here, and then pull it right back the rest of the way with your finger. It just seems to work for me the best way. And push down with that little black tab right there. See right there? Just push that baby down. And it slides right off. Otherwise you're going to break it. Trust me, I've broken so many of these type of things from muscling them. So there we go. Of course, everyone suggests that you disconnect the negative battery, but there's no sense in that. I'm not charging the system. So that's on you if you want to do that or not. I'm not going to. I'm going to put these screws right up here where I can drop them. And if you have a little magnetic tray, which I do have about 3 of them in the garage, it'd be a great idea to be using one of those right now. Okay, so here you have it. Always try to remember the orientation. So this one is upside down in there, because it would actually go back in this way, as you can see. But the way it came originally was upside down when I put this intake on. So, and you can see the air is going to flow across it in that fashion. So this one, I'm not sure what they're going to have for orientation. Okay, so here we have it, guys. So when we had the factory one in, we had the green piece towards the back, and so I'm going to put this one in exactly the same way. Honestly, I don't know if that's the right way or not, but that's how it was. And if I tried to put it in this way, the connector's way on the back side, and I know it wasn't like that. So just exactly how we took it out. And just push it in gently, slide it in there, and start your screws in. So they're just brass threads inside of there. So just, if it's not starting, then back it out and start it real gently, okay? And you don't need to put 3,000 pounds of torque on these babies, that's for sure. Magnetic screwdriver is a great idea. Okay, so I'm just snugging them up a little bit. I've never actually seen a torque spec on those, but okay, that's it, guys. Then we're gonna slide this baby back on there till it clicks, then push this in all the way, double check it, super solid, so we're good to go. So it's the same thing on this one as they had with the throttle body. They want you to start it, let it idle for 3 to 4 minutes. They say 3, shut it off, let it sit for 1 minute, then start it and let it idle for 3 more minutes, and then shut it off, and then next time you start it and drive it, you should be able to go pretty normally. So hopefully this all will gain us some noticeable improvements. Not that this truck really needs much improvement, but always we want more power. If Chevy had made a rig like the TRX or like the Raptor, then we wouldn't be fooling around with this. But we're in the shooting for 650 horsepower one of these days. But we're still under warranty. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. We're going to do a review on this when we're out on the road driving it around. And like and subscribe. My video editor definitely deserves the like, guys. She puts a lot of hours in on these things. And it keeps me inspired to do more stuff. They make a Whipple supercharger that would bolt right on here for only like $7 grand. And I can pick up a Z06 motor that would slide right in this baby as well for about the same money. So once it's off warranty, things are gonna go wild around here. Anyway, thanks guys.